Yo, what's up YouTube? This is dboost266 with an exclusive look at the iOS 6. As I showed you in my last video, I showed you Siri. Hi Siri.
I don't understand.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, today I'm going to show you the iOS 6. First, we're going to start with Passbook. As you can see, Passbook has boarding passes, tickets, store cards, and coupons. Coupons you can actually use at stores, and the store cards, like let's say Starbucks, it'll actually update. If you come close to a Starbucks, the app will react to it and say, "Do you want to stop at Starbucks or whatever?" It hasn't been updated yet, so I'm not quite sure what it'll do. Like, it'll probably say, Starbucks is near your location, do you want to use the card? And then it'll be on your lock screen, and then you can just slide and unlock your phone, kind of thing. And then and then you'll be able to use the app. Tickets, I'm not sure about tickets yet, because this app is not fully integrated, not fully ready yet. And you also have boarding passes. I bet it'll update your gate and you can use it for a plane ticket, which is actually quite cool. It's not ready yet. If I hit the App Store, it'll say it cannot connect to the iTunes Store, as you can see. It's not ready yet. Anyway, Game Center has changed a little bit. As you can see, it has challenges. I haven't got any challenges yet. I got games and friends and me. Yes, my name is I say Winscar266, but sorry, dboost266, but my Xbox name is Winscar267. If you guys want to add me, look up. If you have Xbox, you can add me if you want. Play with me a little bit. Oh, that sounds wrong. Just kidding. Anyway, that's Game Center. Let's have a look at, if you guys have the iOS 5, and this might interest you. And if you have, this is the only feature to iPhone 4S, which is actually kind of stupid. Anyway, let's open the app. This is the iOS 6 new maps. It's colored, indicated, and it's actually quite cool. You can actually see water now. This is all designed by TomTom, I think. Or whatever. I'm not sure who designed this, but whoever did, congratulations. You should pat yourself on the back. Because this little feature called 3D mode. It's not something that you can actually put. It's not you don't put 3D glasses on. Watch this. As you can see, it slided so you can actually see more of the map. Let's go to the satellite and I'll show you more. Let's go to 3D mode and it'll show you much more, like mountains and all that stuff, as you can see. As you can see, it shows you mountains, rivers, and other stuff. See? Oh, if you live in a major city, you'll be able to see the tallest buildings and everything like that, which is actually quite cool. Anyway, also, what I didn't show you for Siri is this. Give me directions to the nearest pizza restaurant.
Getting directions to Little Caesars Pizza.
As you can see, Siri's giving me directions to Little Caesars Pizza right here. And then watch this. This is actually quite cool.
Starting route to Little Caesars Pizza. Head northwest on Brentwood Road.
As you can see, she started my route already. When this has turn-by-turn technology, so you don't have to worry about. It's like TomTom. It's actually quite cool. You can switch from 3D. You can switch from 3D mode to 2D if you guys want. It's your choice. Let's see. Was there any difference in 3D? No, there's probably not. Anyway, whatever. End the map. End it. And yeah, that's what it looks. That's what it looks like. Anyway, let's get out of the app. Anyway, as you can see, there's not much difference except for YouTube, as I mentioned on my last video. YouTube's gone, which actually quite sucks. It's supposed to be beside my videos and maps. Darn you, Apple, put YouTube back on if you're listening. Anyway, as you can see, has a little bit more features, like stocks and whatever. Has newsstand, and also this is actually quite cool. If you look at if you look here, what's this locator? You can actually see the difference in the App Store here. Let's hit features for a moment. I'll show you what I mean by different. Have a look at that. What do you think? I can't remember if there's any. But also, if I hit up here, I get the categories. It doesn't show me categories in the bottom, so I'll hit all categories. And there we go. Also top and the Genius, I don't know what that is because it's not activated for the iOS 6 yet, which is actually quite sad. Also, if there was an update for the app, actually, I could just install an app here for a second, and I want to show you guys something that I don't think anyone else has shown you yet. I'll just pick a random app that I purchased that's not on my iOS 6. Let's see, on my iPhone yet. If this thing would load that fast. Stupid 3G. There we go. Okay, let's go with Family Feud and Friends. I'll hit the installation here. Install. You know how the App Store always closes when you hit install, right? Well, look at that. It's installing right from the App Store. See, installing. I didn't do anything, so it's installing right from the App Store. See what happened there? So yeah, that's what it's doing. It's installing from the App Store. Like, you just hit the little install button, and then it will install for you. Whatever. Stop doing that. Also, I noticed another thing. If I find that app, there's the app. Once it's done installing, I'll show you a cool feature later on. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay. Anyway, there's something like a phone call. Apple probably explained it on their website that if you get a phone call, you can actually disable it from the iOS. Like, you can just say reminder, like, remind me to do this and remind me to call them back in 1 hour, or remind me when I leave this location. And Apple will, and then Siri will go, okay, I will remind you and then she'll remind you when to leave this location. It's actually quite cool. I tried it out. It works. And there's also FaceTime. FaceTime can now be integrated with your cell phone minutes. It's actually now you can actually use it Wi-Fi or now cellular data, because now you can actually FaceTime on the go instead of having Wi-Fi everywhere now. And also, there's, if you notice, privacy. Oops, sorry. Hold on, let me just get out of there and stupid. There we go. Privacy. It'll have locations, contacts, calendars, reminders, photos, and Bluetooth sharing, and then also Facebook and Twitter right there. And then, if you guys remember, Facebook and Twitter are both integrated with now the iOS 6. So now you can actually sync it with your calendar and your contacts. So you can actually update your contacts if you have the right person on or contact in your contacts. Anyway, I don't think anything changed for here. No, it doesn't seem like it. Let's scroll down. Oh, this is a cool thing right here. It's called Do Not Disturb. If you actually flick that on, Let's flick that on here. There we go. Thank you. If you flick that on, a little blue moon will show up right on the top, right beside your time. A little blue moon will show up, and that means that no one will be able to contact you. No notifications, no text messages, no phone calls, no Facebook, no Twitter, no nothing. It'll just be like your phone is off, because no one will be able to contact you or anything unless there is a default feature. I'll just go to notifications, and here, as you read here, when able, a second call from the same person within 3 minutes so will not be silenced. So that means if it's an emergency, people will actually will be able to contact you. You're like, oh wait, this it's like why is it your phone off? Let me just phone you again. Anyway, there are notifications, kind of thing. Blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's get back to the back to here. As you can see, it's all different now. And you still have the same stuff. Oh, also, there's something cool I want to show you guys. Well, I won't be able to show you, but something called LED flash for alerts. So if you get an alert or someone calling you, the little like the little LED, like the light there, will actually flash and will notify you where if you get a notification, kind of thing. It's actually quite interesting. I think that will be it. No, hold on. There's something that changed on photos as well. Look at the difference on the design that Apple designed here. It's actually quite interesting. And yes, I'm actually using a blank screen, as you can see. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's head back here and open up music. Music has changed a lot, as you can see. Instead of having it white, it's actually black now. And also, there's that little, looks like a little knob. And also, if you remember, the little, if you click on one of those, it'll actually turn blue. Well, now it turns orange. It's actually quite different. I think that's it. Except for the YouTube app. I don't know why Apple got rid of it. If they could actually explain why, that would be great. Thank you for enjoying the iOS 6. Hopefully you can enjoy the iOS 6. When it comes out, Apple will be scheduling a meeting on September 12th, 2012 for the press release. I don't know what of the the iPhone 5. I don't know if that's an event or actually the release date for the iPhone 5. So anyway, this is DBooth266 signing out.